Hi everyone, Floss2X Daily here, community reporter for Clipper Decentralized Exchange and elected operator of Admiral DAO, which governs Clipper. I have with me Jeremy of the development team for Shipyard Software. Over the past few months, the community has asked for staking of the VeSail token. It has been live for, well, Jeremy will tell me it's been about a month. I am a tech dinosaur and I need to learn how to do it. So I brought Jeremy along to talk a little bit about VeSail and to teach me how to stake it. And then we're going to present it to you. So Jeremy, go ahead, tell us a little bit about VeSail and then you're going to walk me through it.
Yeah, absolutely. Excited to walk through this update. Staking was actually the first thing that the community voted on through Admiral DAO as soon as the VeSail token was live. So this is a feature that we were really excited to get live. Like you said, it's been live for about a month now. And we're looking to make sure that the whole community is educated on its benefits. So essentially, VeSail gives you the right to vote and participate in Admiral DAO, which is already a really great benefit because you're directing the future of this DeFi protocol. Staking just lets you align that incentive with the actual outcomes of that protocol. So you can see a return in VeSail on the VeSail that you stake. So when you convert your VeSail into VeSail, which we'll be doing on this call live together, you then are going to see a return in VeSail on your VeSail.
And from what I see from my community members, the return's pretty nice. Like, I can't believe I waited a month to do it. I'm ready to start getting that free money. But sorry, interrupt.
So yeah, well, no, I was just going to say the returns are generated from the Clipper revenues, right? Yeah. So this is a way, like I said, to align stakeholder incentives. You're already a stakeholder in Admiral DAO because you hold VeSail. This is a way for you to also participate in Clipper revenues through the VeSail program.
So Clipper super excited makes money. The money goes into the Admiral DAO treasury, and then it gets paid back to the VeSail token holders while they're staking.
Correct. Yeah, those revenues are used to purchase the VeSail, and then that VeSail is then held by the treasury, and that is what increases the value of the VeSail. So that conversion rate you see is a result of the revenue purchases.
All right. Well, Jeremy, I'm going to share my screen now, and I'm also going to so that everyone can see, and then we're going to flip over to Clipper Exchange, and you're going to walk me through it. All right?
Absolutely.
All right. So you can see what I'm doing, but let's flip over to this. All right, so I'm on the Clipper Exchange. Well, let's go to just Clipper Exchange. And you walk me through the homepage.
Can do. Yeah, so the first thing to do is launch the app there.
Okay.
That gets you into the DEX. And
if you haven't connected your wallet, you do. I have, and make sure you're on Ethereum mainnet.
Yep, and then from here, go to Earn.
All right, up in the top right corner, you see Earn.
You see that sub-nav that drops down there. Stake VeSail very clearly is the way to go and stake the VeSail that you have in your wallet.
That seems pretty easy. All right. All right. So you see I've got 0 VeSail, which VeSail is the staked VeSail, and this is my unstaked VeSail, about 160K. Let's do all of it. So let's put in, all right, first we need to allow Clipper to use my VeSail.
That's right.
All right. Let me make the screen a little smaller. Let's approve. This is gas efficient. MetaMask pops up. I'm not sure if it's popping up in the recording, but
yep, we can see it. Yeah,
I'm gonna do the max because trust. I can't. What can I say? I trust Clipper. So let's approve that. Pending. This is live, everyone. So we're gonna see how it goes for a tech newbie.
It's always fun to watch the blockchain live.
Totally. That's pretty quick, actually.
Yeah, that was.
All right, so now I can put in 162,000 VeSail, which is worth about almost $1,200. We could tell the dev team to put a max button in there, which I think is there. We'll figure it out. So I'm gonna hit stake VeSail.
Stake your VeSail.
All right.
Yep.
No lockup period. You can unstake your VeSail at any point. Admiral DAO may implement a lockup period in the future, but for now there is no lockup.
All correct.
Right? Unlocked, maximize yield, stake VeSail for. Okay, obviously I can't. This isn't a button to click right now because there's nothing locked up. All right. Got it. And transaction MetaMask pops up. I'm going to approve it. There is gas fees associated with this. Wow, it happened that quickly. So now 162K is staked. I can view that transaction on the Explorer.
That's right.
And
And
I
if you
assume,
refresh your browser, you should be able to see that stake sale balance
all
there.
right, let me refresh my browser and look at that. Okay,
Boom.
so explain to me why I had a 160K sale and it's 125K right now.
Well, that's actually part of the reason that you want to stake your sale,
Okay.
is because the VE sale is going to be worth a little bit more than sale
Oh.
in the go forward, because those protocol revenues have been increasing the value of VE sale.
Oh, neat. Okay, and I see that there is a conversion here.
There's a conversion there. Yep.
Perfect. All right, so a sale's worth about 3/4 of a one VE sale. All right, well, I can't wait to get 20% in 7 days and bump this up to what's my math? 12, 24, 24K. Get it back up to 150K sale. It's pretty nice. All right, let me pop back so everyone can see our pretty faces. And what should we say to finish this thing off?
Stake your sale.
Stake your sale, everyone. You saw how easy it was. If a noob like me can do it, you can do it too. Thanks, Clipper. Thanks, Admiral Dow. Get yourself some sale and start staking. Appreciate it.